story day, countryman, countrywoman. So small boy Pikin, he want run comot for your auntie house. Wetin happen when he want run comot for your auntie house? Na say countryman, na say countrywoman. He dey chop with your auntie massa for table. Person wey dey cook dem chop, he can't get a chop. The woman can't get a chop. The auntie massa put a chop for him up and say, "Bye, such water, such kwala de mafala." He vexes, he take that chop, he throw am for face for that woman. This small boy wey we dey for inside out on top table, the chop with the auntie massa, he just vex. As I talk for una so, peripheral say he no wan stay for that kind of house. Say na barbarism. Say na barbarism. He don't go for social media, they talk the matter dey, it dey hot, he go past place. He say na barbarism. Say na the highest state of barbarism that they not supposed to treat human being that kind of way. Say in that kind of house, no fine. The thing no dey show, he say make continue for stay for that house. That's why the thing dey happen. That's why they now for yaounde. Where the story come out to countryman, countrywoman. That means say the Pikin play where come out, they bring you up correctly. No be say because it's some man, na house boy. No be say because it's some girl, na house girl. No be say because it's a woman, na cook for you. No be say because it's a man, na cook for you. When make error for anything you do, you start treating like animal. You know, correct? Even domestic animal, they may treat you wrongly. Now, human being, where they treat them so, because for your head, you get your plaba, you get your plenty mburu. You know, correct?